Wow.
Hey there, so in this video I'm going to show you how to play Lovers in a Dangerous Time. Originally, uh, originally written by Bruce Coburn, but it's been redone by the Barenaked Ladies, and I'm doing the Barenaked Ladies version. Let me give you a preview. So you get a G chord. And then that's basically the entirety of the song. So let me show you how to play the first part. So it's gonna be a G chord, and if the cap, I have a capo on the third fret. You don't need to have a capo on like anything. I like to have a capo on the third fret because I just so happen to sound better. I think it sounds better on the third fret, but it can be played on any. You don't need a capo. So you have your G chord. The G chord is your index finger on the second fret on the second string. So top string is number 1, second string is number 2, number 3, number 4, and it goes all the way to 6. So my index finger will be on on fret 2 on string 2. So this string here, my middle finger on the top string, my ring finger on the bottom string. So it starts off with hitting the top string, and then you hit the string below it. Oops. Oh, no, that's not right. Hit the top string, and then you hit the third string. This string here. Not this string, but this string below it, the third string. So it's, and then you hit the middle string, but you hammer it on with your index finger for this here, and then you hit the bottom string again. So again, the top string, third string, then second string, and then yes, and back to the third string. So top, third, second, third. So top, third, second, third. So that's the first part. So you do that twice. And here you want to do an A chord, but you want to not. It's considered an A7. So it's like an A chord, except you just pull this off. So again, you can have your index finger. This is the first fret. And your index finger will be on the second string, and your middle finger will be on the third string, right there. So you have a string, open string in between these two fingers. Let me just see. So you hit the second string, and then the string below it. You hammer on this. You hammer your middle finger, and then you hit the bottom string, the string below that, which is the fourth string, and you go up. So you're going between the fourth string and the third string. Again, you have your A string. You hit the second string, and then the string below that, and then go one string down. So you got that. So let me start again. And then do a C chord. A C chord, your index finger will be on the second string, the middle finger will be on the third string on the second fret, and your ring finger will be on the third fret, second string, except this finger, which is supposed to be on the string, is not there. It's actually one string below. So this finger will be actually on the what is that? 1, 2, 3, the fourth string. So just do a normal C chord, and you just move the middle finger one string down. And so what actually you don't even need that. So you want to keep it open, and when you hammer it one string down. You don't hammer it on the regular string. You hammer one string down. Let me just try it again. So it's the second string, and then third string, and then when hammer the third, that is the fourth string. Then you hit the string below it, and then you go back up again to the fourth string. So it's so basically that's the entirety, almost the entirety of the song. And then when you do the chorus is the exact same chords. So it'll be you hammer the top, so it's G chord. Then you have your A7, and you're hitting the second string. So and then there's a C, except this one you're actually using the C chord. You're actually hitting the actually C chord. And you hit these two. Actually, my mistake. It actually goes one. It's like the C, except this finger goes one string down. So it's the second string and third string, and then you do that pattern. So it's dangerous time. Okay, so it's a difficult song to play, but not impossible. And then the final part is you do the exact same chords, except you're just strumming on different strings. You're not even strumming. You're like this one. So you hammer on the second string on your index finger, and you hit the string below it, and hit it, the string below it, back up again, and open. So it's like top string, and then you hammer this, you hit string below it, and you go back up, and then you open. So the same pattern. It's the A7, hammer, hit the string below it, go back up, and then open. And then same thing with the C. You get the second string, strum, and then you want to hammer this string, which is the fourth string. So you hammer it and hit string below it, and then you go back up and you just work on that string. And that's pretty much the entirety of the song. So let me just play it again. Oh yeah. Okay, so that's the end of the song. Yeah, that's about it.